Okay, here's my bike check. This is a 2010 or 2009 called Bad Boy frame, 20.75. Then called ChEcK forks, nice and white. Here's a S&M Perfect 10, 10-inch rise, 29 wide. ODI long neck grips, Shadow Attack stem, Animal headset. There's the Animal seat post, McNeil seat. Odyssey twisted PC pedals, Odyssey 12-volt cranks, Animal 25 sprocket, and Odyssey bottom rocket. Here's the Shadow half-link chain in blue. Then we have a salt hub, lace to salt rim. Then salt pitch raw tire, 20 and 2.25. Primo mix in the back, lace to Odyssey hazard white rim, pretty loud. Feet FIF tire, and it's 2.30 wide. That's my bike check.